Hello everyone, my name is Nakesh Gautam and I'm a private label seller on Amazon.com for over a year now. Today in this video, I'm going to share my personal experience, how I earned $162 in profit, though my sales revenue crosses $14,000. Also some useful tips for new sellers and for sellers from around the globe, so please stay tuned. We all work very hard to accumulate all our savings, and for some of us, it's a lifetime of savings. So I want to help all those sellers out there so that their money can be invested in the right place, in the right product, in the right manner. So guys, I've decided to make this video for two important reasons only. First reason is when you try to search for useful tips on selling on Amazon.com, you mainly find people selling their training programs, trying to get us enrolled on the training programs by showing their total revenues by not disclosing their net profits. And the second most important reason is that I never found any useful tips for sellers who are especially selling from other countries on Amazon.com platform. So guys, this is my Seller Central account where you can see that I have a total sales revenue of over $14,000 with 189 units sold. Now let us see that how I earned only $162 in net profit even though my sales revenue crosses $14,000 from April 2018 till July 2018. So guys, I sell a single product on Amazon.com currently and it cost me to make $52 including transportation from India till USA. I sell it for around $74.50, which gives you a margin of $22.50. If we calculate the net profit on 189 units, it should be $4,252.50. But as I have told you, I have earned only $162 in profit. So guys, this is where the video gets very interesting, where I will share with you all the expenses the seller has to incur, especially if you're a seller from around the globe. So guys, this is my Excel sheet and we will go with each and every point in detail from total revenues till net profit. So the first point is Amazon fees. Now Amazon fees is charged on each and every product and it depends on the product category you sell in. Amazon fees is basically a certain percentage of amount that is charged on your list price. I will drop a link in the description box where you can calculate your Amazon fees, your product attract, and calculate your net profit. So the next point is cost of manufacturing. So the total cost of manufacturing for 189 units is $10,395, and this includes the transportation expenses that I need to bear from India till USA. The next point is order refund, and this is the most important point for all those sellers selling from different countries around the globe. If you are a seller selling in April or a sheepset and pillowcase category, chances are there will be some returns due to size and fit and the quality of fabric. And whenever there is a customer return, 95% of the time it will not come into your inventory in a sellable condition because the customer has already washed it, used it, and doesn't remain in the original packaging that was sent to him. So it will never come into stock. So you're left with only two options. One is to dispose it off, and second option is to hire a freight forwarder to bring that product back to your country. So that is the reason it makes an important point for all those sellers selling from different countries on Amazon.com because you won't pay such a huge amount of freight expense again just to call the product back to your country and just to check it out for any damage. So you're left with only disposing of that product. That is the reason I have multiplied order refund by 2 because you are refunding a customer for the product and also you have one product down in your inventory. So guys, please choose your product wisely so that you can have low return. So now let's move on to the next point, pay-per-click ads. Pay-per-click ads are not compulsory, but you have to do it because every seller is trying hard to get on the first page and get some sales. Think like that, if someone's product is showing on the 28th page, guess what? He will not make any sales out of it. So guys, the next point is Amazon storage fee. If you're using an FBA, that means fulfillment by Amazon, then you're using Amazon warehouse for storing your inventory. And that is when you need to pay Amazon storage fees. There are two types of storage fees and you need to hear it very carefully. There's a short-term storage fees and there is a long-term storage fees. If your product is stored for more than 180 days or 6 months, you need to pay a long-term storage fees. So guys, I have tried my best to pass on all the information I can from my experience. I hope it was useful for you on selling on Amazon.com and make a living out of it. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more useful tips from me. Till next time guys, keep grinding on Amazon.